Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. It is Monday, May 4th, is our weekly starting date. This is the advanced edition.
News to you. May 4th, 2020. Thanking hospital workers. Many hospital workers are very busy now helping people who are sick with the coronavirus. Many people around the world and across the U.S. are sick with the coronavirus. People who are very sick must go to hospitals. Hospital workers try to help them become healthy again. Hospital workers work in hospitals. Cities around the world have hospitals. Hospital workers do not only treat people who are sick, they treat people who are hurt too. People who are sick or hurt often need help to feel better.
So, hospital workers help those that are sick and those that are hurt. They're there for when we need them.
Hospitals have many kinds of hospital workers. Some hospital workers are doctors, nurses, therapists, aides, or pharmacists. These hospital workers may do surgeries, take temperatures, give medicine, and much more. They help find out why people are sick or hurt. They decide how to help the people feel better and become healthy again. Hospital workers include janitors and cafeteria workers too. Janitors clean hospitals. A clean hospital can help people be healthy. Cafeteria workers cook nutritious food in hospitals. Sick people may need to stay in hospitals for days. Cafeteria workers cook nutritious food for these people. Eating the food can help people be healthy.
So, there are more than just doctors and nurses in hospitals. There's cafeteria workers, custodians, there's therapists, there's surgeons, there's doctors, there's nurses, there's maintenance workers. So, getting a job at a hospital, you don't have to have necessarily medical training. But these people, it takes all of these people in order for a hospital to be successful.
Hospital workers help many people every day. Some hospital workers even save people's lives. Many people want to thank hospital workers for helping them. All hospital workers are important. People can thank hospital workers anytime, but a good time to thank hospital workers is during National Hospital Week. National Hospital Week is May 10th to 16th in 2020. This week celebrates hospital workers. People may have family members or friends who are hospital workers they want to thank. People may want to thank hospital workers who have helped them, or a family member, feel better too.
So, May 10th is not this Monday, it'll be next Monday. So, it's a week from Monday, May 4th. So, it's coming up.
People can make thank you cards to send to hospital workers. They may also send emails or write letters to thank hospital workers. Hospital workers often work many hours in a day, so people may send food to hospitals for hospital workers to enjoy. People can thank hospital workers on social media too. They can say why hospitals and hospital workers are important in their communities. They can share pictures, videos, and stories. People can use #MyHospital in their posts. Many people are thanking hospital workers now for helping people who are sick with the coronavirus. How can you thank a hospital worker?
So there's many different ways you can thank a hospital worker. You can send them a thank you card. You can send food to the hospital. You can buy them a small gift. But It's just a nice thing to do for National Hospital Worker Week. Okay, so if you can log into Canvas and check the slides that you're supposed to do, I want you guys to have a great day and a great week. And I miss you, and I hope you're doing well. Bye.